This is a sublimation tumbler, and they are all white already before you do anything to them. Um, if you want a white base coat, you don't need another color to put on there. I just sanded it a little bit, and now I'm coloring it according to the color of my glitter that I want to put on there. And yeah, in my opinion, it takes away any flaws that you might have in your glitter coat. Once the acrylic paint that I used here is dry, you can use not only Mod Podge, you can use any glue that will dry transparent to use as your glitter glue. So I'm putting a thick layer of this Mod Podge on top of my tumbler. And for the color on your tumbler, you don't need to use like acrylic paints like I did here. You can use spray paint, acrylic paint, basically anything that you can color your tumbler with is good. I always do my chunky glitter first, because if you have fine glitter on top of your tumbler already, the chunky glitter doesn't adhere to the glue anymore. That's why I do that always first. You can use a mixture of chunky glitter and fine glitter, but I think if you do the chunky glitter first, and you put your fine glitter in a layer after that, it will cover every spot that is left in between the chunky glitter. Now I'm taping my wand there where the cup is on, just to get rid of all the glitter that is loose on the surface of the tumbler. And the glitter that is left on the paper, you can put it back in the jar. You can use it again and again till it's empty. So save the glitter. Now I'm taking my fine glitter and I'm putting it right over top of the chunky glitter. And as you can see, it adheres to every piece of glue that is exposed there. And it's not really a matter of having tons of glitter. As you can see, I have only that really small bottle of glitter, and I'm just putting it back in the jar, and then I start all over again till the tumbler is glittered all the way. I might have to put the glitter back 2 times, but it's enough glitter to glitter the whole cup. So yeah, the bottle is still half full. You don't need as much glitter as you would think. So this is the most important step that you have to do when you are using chunky glitter. I have the parchment paper here, and I will roll this really tight around my tumbler, because the chunky glitter doesn't really lay flat by itself, so you have to make it somehow lay flat. So I'm just really rolling it and putting it really tight into the paper, so the glitter will really lay flat, and I won't need 50 layers of epoxy to make a smooth tumbler. The last thing before epoxying the tumbler is I'm just rubbing it really gently to get rid of all the pieces that have not really adhered to the glue. And yeah, as you can see, there are not many. Yeah, but I want to get rid of them anyhow. So this is what the tumbler looks like now, and now it's time to epoxy it. And I will put as much resin on top of there so I get, for my eye, a smooth surface already. So I maybe have to put 2 coats on it, not more than that. And I just let it run for you, because this is not so really interesting to watch in slow motion how I epoxy the tumbler. So this tumbler has mainly fine glitter on top of it, and I'm using a really thin layer of epoxy just to fill in the gaps in between the fine glitter first. I probably have to do another coat of epoxy on top of that later. And yeah, this is about it. If this video was helpful to you, please leave me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and that would help me a whole lot. Thank you.